This is the practice test for measurements. Here we're working on problem number 16. And the problem says a freight carrier charges 68 cents for the first ounce plus an additional 35 cents for every ounce or part of an ounce over the first ounce. A company is shipping a package weighing 308 grams. Letter A asks, what is the weight of the package in ounces? So we need to convert the 308 grams into ounces. And we need a formula that will go between these two. Grams is a metric unit, ounces is a US unit. So we go to our measurement table and we are looking under weight. On the right-hand column, we find this formula right here. 1 ounce is equal to 28 grams. That's going to be the formula that we use in the problem. And so we go back to our problem. We take that formula and we set it up as a ratio. 1 ounce is equal to 28 grams. And then we're going to solve this problem using a proportion. We are given 308 grams. We're going to put that on the bottom over here. Grams on the bottom, both sides. And we're going to solve for the number of ounces on the top. Ounces are on both sides as well in this proportion. Once we set it up, we look for the two numbers across from one another. 1 and 308, we multiply those, and then we divide by the leftover number, and that solves for the number of ounces, and we end up getting 11. It should be ounces here, not grams. It should be ounces, 11 ounces. And then we are going to go to letter B. What is the cost to ship the package in dollars and cents? And so we are told in the problem that the freight carrier charges 68 cents for the first ounce and then 35 cents for each additional ounce. Now we have 11 ounces that we are shipping. The first ounce is going to be 68 cents and then 35 for the remaining 10 ounces. 35 cents for 10 ounces is 35.35 times 10, which would be $3.50. So we need to add these two together. The total cost is going to be 68 cents for the first ounce and $3.50 for the remaining 10 ounces. The total is $4.18.